Hi, the GTP community. This is Olivier. I want to share you a quick few things that we've been working on in the last sprint. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and share them. I think one of them is the questionnaires. So we wanted to integrate the news into the application, like within the application, and have more control over navigation, over how public posts are, over categories of the post and different other things. So my colleague is going to explain more on this, but what I can show is that we fetch the information from WordPress and rendered it in the application. Then we also spend more time, some time to dig on how WordPress styles the content so that we could optimize it for mobile. So if I just so you can see that on small screens the page is much more readable than the way it used to be, and also having the categories as well, like it gives us more control over what we we get to show the users, and also over what gets shared. So I also added a share button so that the users can share that link that they have on Facebook. We'll add more social buttons later. So yeah, my colleague Dennis is going to explain further on this. We're still doing more styling to make this more intuitive than it is at the moment. So another thing that we added was the synchronization of emails. So the emails, what we had was we're just importing the emails from SendGrid. We're not checking the metadata of those emails. So in case the email was read after being imported, like would lose that that kind of update. So what we have now is that you can go and re-import the emails, and in case that email exists in our platform, then it will be updated as read if it was read by the user after that, or any other information that it would have updated afterwards. Yeah, another thing that we did is that we rewrote the time zone implementation that we had. So we're using a data fairness library. So we removed that, and we're using plain implementation of time zone. The issue we had is that the tests were failing at midnight sometimes, which was very, very awkward. Like it was very weird. Like we couldn't really get what the hell was happening. So that's fixed now. And another thing that we worked on is the welcome page for the users. So I'll go ahead and log out. Then go back. So this is the welcome page for the prospective clients that we worked on. So this was basically a way of giving users more information before they log into the application. So, and also like some interactivity for them, so they get to either schedule a call, book a tour, become a client, or log in case they already have an account with GTP. Excuse me. So yeah, it also gives them like more information, like where is Nkwashi, the contact details, the email, and also their social links as well. Yeah, so basically like more information. So yeah, those are like the major things that we were working on. This sprint, this coming sprint, we'll be working on discussions. We'll be working on business registration. Yeah, it's going to be a good sprint, and we're looking forward to it. So yeah, there was also a lot of learnings this sprint. I got to learn how to use the WordPress API, how to write the time zone using JavaScript functions. What else? And also had time to like dig deeper in CSS and yeah, just like some design stuff, because most of the work this sprint was really on the front end side. I actually don't, apart from the SendGrid implementation, most of the things were on the front end side. So yeah, thanks for watching, and looking forward for the next sprint. Thanks a lot. Bye.